Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your sprite jump and put gravity in your game. So go to new project, and then I'm not going to use a cat, I'm going to just use a ball. And go to stage, and then draw a ground for your gravity. So I'm going to put my ground green. Okay, that's my ground. Yeah, I put my ground. Now I'm going to do the gravity. So get a when flag clicked, and then get a forever loop, get an if statement, and then get a touching color and put it in that if statement, and then press on this picture, and then click on your ground. Then I'm gonna go to motion and then get a change y by 10, and then change it to -2. Why I change it to -2 is because if I do -1, it's gonna go way too slow. If I do -10, it's gonna go way too fast. So it's just the correct one. Yeah, it's not touching the color. I forgot. Yeah, it's since I didn't put any not. Look, when I do that, it's not touching the color, so it won't do anything. So now I have to go to operators and get a not block, and then I have to put that in there, and then I'll put it there. Now look, yes, my thing works, right? Now I'm going to my jump. When flag clicked, forever loop, if, and then go to sensing, key space pressed. I'm going to do up arrow, and then change y by 10. Okay, look what it worked, but it's my ball is flying. My ball is literally flying, which it's not supposed to do. To fix that, you have to get an if statement and wrap it around the change y by 10. Then just get this for now and put it back later, but I'll show you what to do. Right click it and then press duplicate. You should get the exact same thing and put it in that if block, and then put this back where it was. So now look. Let me get my look, it works. Even though I hold it forever, it's still just bouncing up and down. Since it's bouncing way too little, I'm gonna change it to like 30. Okay, there. I'll change it to 50 so it will be perfect. Okay, there. This is my video how to do gravity and jump. If you didn't watch my other videos how to make your ball go side, move left and right, make sure to watch it. It will be in the description so you can see it other than searching it up. So I guess that's the end for this video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on your notifications. Bye again.